If you want to save money at CVS and learn how to coupon, stay tuned. I just grabbed $67 worth of products, and my final cost out of pocket was about $5.72, but I got back $2.99 from Ibotta and $3.80 from Flues. So it wound up being completely free and a small moneymaker. Stay tuned. I'll let you guys know exactly how you can do it. Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are outside of CVS to do our haul for this week. There's a ton of easy freebies that anyone can do. There's a couple Ibotta freebies and there's a freebie that CVS is offering, so you can come in and grab it. Anyone can do it and pay nothing out of pocket for it. At the end, we're gonna be using a Flues gift card. That way we can get cash back for our out-of-pocket cost. We're gonna be getting money back from Ibotta. It's gonna wind up being amazing. And I almost forgot, I'm gonna be announcing the winner of the coupon binder later in this video. So if you wanna learn how to coupon at CVS, stay tuned. And if you're new here, welcome. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any easy deals and ways that you can save thousands of dollars every year. My couponing class is tomorrow on Monday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to join, learn how to coupon, learn the ropes, reading coupons, digital coupons, staying organized, the whole 9 yards, the link is below in the description box so you can check it out and reserve your seat. There's only 20 spots available. I think I only have about 5 seats left. So that way you can join in and we are going to go over everything live on Zoom. I am also going live on YouTube Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Going to be doing some huge giveaways sponsored by Flues, and we're going to be going over everything about how to stay organized. I took a poll on my Instagram, and that's what you guys said you wanted the live to be about. So we're going to go over organizing your coupons, your inserts, organizing your deals, your transactions, the whole 9 yards. So I hope you guys can make it. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you're going to be able to make it for the live. Then you can participate in the giveaways as well. There is a printable breakdown, as always, in my haul videos below in the description box, as well as all the referral codes for the different apps that we're going to be using in store to help make this haul amazing and a small moneymaker. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of some amazing deals. Okay, so my first stop, if the red box is working, typically it is, I always come here to print out my CRTs. You don't have to, you can always send them to your card on the CVS app. Just go to your CVS app, click Deals and Rewards, then you can click the plus sign next to the CRTs. So I'm gonna print all mine here and then we're gonna go check out the deals. Okay, the first deal we're gonna grab is an Ibotta freebie. So check the coolers at your CVS. These Health Aid, both of them do qualify. They're just $2.89. You're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2.99 back. It's gonna make it completely free and a 10-cent moneymaker. Now we're gonna put together our spend 30 deal. So I'm still stocking up for the diaper cake. The baby shower is this next weekend, so I think I'm gonna make the diaper cake today actually, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna grab one of these draft, that way I can give her 2 of these in the baby shower basket. These are $11.94, and there is a $3 digital coupon if you haven't used it yet. The other products I'm grabbing in the Spend 30 deal is going to be 2 of the Pampers Swaddlers. Pure Protection is included as well. Easy Ups, all of that is included also. They are 2 for $20. Then I'm going to clip this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Check if you have a Pampers CRT or like a 4 off of 20. That would be amazing. I only have a 5 off of 30 CRT. So this is what I'm grabbing for the Spend 30 deal. Total is $31.94. We have a $3 digital and a 3 off 2 digital. I'm not using any CRTs because I don't have any that'll actually work for this. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this in my second transaction just in case I get like an 8 off of 40 purchase CRT, because that would be amazing. But without that, I'll wind up paying $25.94 out of pocket, getting back a $10 extra buck, making it $15.94 for 3 products, or about $5 per product. Not the best deal, of course, but to grab these at $5 each is definitely still some great savings. Even at Walmart, you're gonna be paying about $8 or $9 a bag for these diapers, so it's still a good deal. This deal is back again. This tag doesn't show it, but it is tagged further up front at the front of the store. So these are just $9.99 this week. buy one, get a $9 extra back. So that'll make your final cost just 99 cents, which is incredible. So you can stock up. I think this deal's been going on the last 3 weeks. So definitely grab some antibacterial if you need it. Okay, this next deal is an amazing deal. Unfortunately though, the Ibotta rebates got taken down early. Big bummer there. But what we're gonna do, this one's not tagged, but it is in the weekly ad. Schick and Schick disposable razors are $5.99 and they're spend $15, get a $5 extra back. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these Schick Extreme. If they're not tagged in your store, what you can do is scan them on the CVS app. So let me show you how to do that. Or you can take it to the red box and scan it there as well. So when you open the CVS app, you're gonna click on shop. Then you're gonna click the barcode scanner all the way in the top right. You're gonna take the product and scan it in the window. Then it'll show you, oh, of course now it's not working. Then it'll show you what the price is. So let's try one more time. Okay, so see how it says on sale $5.99? So this is included in the deal. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. Then we're gonna use this $3 off 1 digital coupon. And I'm gonna be using a 3 off of 12 Schick Extreme CRT as well. And hopefully you guys printed these. They do expire today. $3 off 1, it's a limit of 2, so I'm gonna use 2 of these. There are a ton of new printable coupons today that are linked in the description box below, so make sure you print them because you never know when you're gonna use them and they get taken down randomly. So let's go over the finals for this deal. So grabbing 3 of these is gonna be $15.97. Then after we use 3 $3 coupons and the 3 off of 12 Extreme CRT, I'm gonna wind up paying $5.97 out of pocket, getting back a $5 extra buck, makes my final cost 97 cents for 3 of them, or just 33 cents each. This deal is an all digital deal that anyone can do. So the big 1 liter of Crest Scope are $4.79 this week. Buy one, get a $3 extra buck. So I'm gonna grab 1 of these. I'm also gonna use this $1 off 1 digital coupon. I'm gonna pay $3.79, get back a $3 extra buck, making it just 79 cents for a 1 liter bottle. Anything under $1 for oral care, in my opinion, is definitely a stock up price. And I prefer Crest over Colgate, and all I have left in my stockpile is Colgate. So let's add this to the deal. If you need some oral care this week, here's a good deal that's all digital again on Colgate. So select Colgate Total is spend 10, get a $5 extra buck. So I would grab 2 of these Total Whitening at $5.49 each. That'll bring you to $10.98. Then use this 4 off of 2 Colgate digital coupon. You'll pay $6.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making it $1.98 for both, or just 99 cents each. If you need some poise, here's an all digital deal you can do. Grab 2 of the ultra thin pads. They're 2 for $11 this week. Then clip this $5 off 2 digital coupon on the CVS app. You'll pay $6 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back each. That gives you back $3. That'll make your final cost $3 for 2, or just $1.50 each. Now I'm gonna grab some free Hallmark products again. I have these 2 CRTs for $2 off of 3 Hallmark cards. Now, when I scan the products, it still shows that it attaches, even though the CRT says cards. So as long as I buy 3 products, both CRTs will come off. These do work for it. They're $1.99 each. You can grab some of the bags as well that are $2.99. The ribbons are cheaper. They're $1.29 to $1.99. So I'm gonna grab 3 products and they're gonna be completely free. Here's another amazing deal. So these are just on a rack. So there's a bunch at just 29 cents each. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. Use this buy one, get one free CRT. That'll make it 29 cents for both, or about 14 cents each. And I'm gonna be adding some of these in the baby shower gift basket. I'm also starting to put together some gift baskets for teachers. Here's an amazing deal on some tampons. So Playtex is included in the deal for spend 12 on Playtex, Carefree, or Stay Free. Get a $3 extra buck, and they're buy one, get one half off. I'm gonna grab 2 of these large packs, buy one, get one half off. Then I'm also gonna grab 1 of these security liners. Now this particular thing is not included in this deal, but I need the $1.79 price tag of this so that I can use this $2 off of $16 tampon CRT. So total for all three of these products is going to be $15.72, and the total for these two alone are $13.93. So it's going to work for this deal. We're over $12 in the products that are included. Also going to use this 3 off of 2 digital coupon that'll attach to the Playtex. And I have this $7 off of 2 CRT, works on varieties 32 count or larger. That's why we're grabbing the huge ones here. So after all of the CRTs and the coupons, I'm gonna be paying $3.72 out of pocket, but then I'm gonna get back a $3 extra buck, making my final cost 72 cents for all 3 products, which is an amazing deal. So now I was gonna grab the freebie for this week, but unfortunately, I think it's only on this variety right here, and of course my store is out. I also could not find the acetaminophen, the coated caps that are 50 count. These are only 24 count. It did not work on that either. So always make sure you're scanning the products on the CVS app, go to Deals and Rewards, click the barcode and scan it, make sure the CRT or coupon shows that it's attaching. Okay, strike that. A woman was like, oh, are you looking for these? And she showed me where they were, thank God. So this is the one that it works on, the 50 count coated tablets. This is gonna be completely free. If you need body wash, here's a cheap deal on Dial. They're buy one, get one free this week. So you can grab 2 of them at $6.79. Then we do have a $2 off 2 coupon from the 7-Eleven Save, I believe. And today, the 25th, it expires. Then if you have this 2 off of 2 Dial CRT, add that in with your deal. Final cost would be $2.79 for both, or just $1.39 each. So not a bad deal for some body wash. Okay, this is everything that I'm grabbing, so I'm gonna split this up into 2 transactions. That way I can roll my extra bucks from last week to keep my out-of-pocket super low. So let's go check out, see how things go, and we'll go over the totals in the truck. So let's go over the winner of the coupon binder. Thank you to everyone, of course, who participates in my giveaways and always supports my channel and all my social media platforms. So here is the winner, Kim Hebert. Congratulations. All you have to do to claim your prize is shoot me an email. Let me know your full name and your full address, and let me know that you won the coupon binder so I can get that in the mail for you. Thank you guys again for everyone who participates. I will be doing more and more giveaways, of course, coming up in the future. Okay guys, we're back in from CVS. I really thought it was gonna be a slower week, and it kind of was, but it wound up working out amazing. And I grabbed 2 more bags of diapers so I can go home and start putting together this diaper cake, which I'm so excited about. I love being creative and doing fun things like that and DIY stuff. So I'll keep you guys updated on that, and I'll be sharing some along on my Instagram and on my TikTok. So if you don't follow me on either of those platforms yet, definitely head over and do so. It's Bree Coupon Queen on both platforms. So I did 2 transactions today. I had about $20 in extra bucks to roll. That's it, $20. So want to share with you what I did. I grabbed the scope. I did the hand sanitizer deal. I did the ibuprofen deal, the Playtex. Then I did the Hallmark cards, or not Hallmark cards, Hallmark products on this one as well. So the crust came off, $3 off 2 Playtex, BOGO hand sanitizer. The freebie this week from CVS is great. 7 off 2 Playtex. Both of the 2 off 3, I can't read this backwards, 2 off 3 Hallmark came off, 2 off 16 feminine care, and the other 2 off 3 Hallmark came off. And I used a beauty buck from 2 weeks ago, and I used 27 cents in those like extra bucks that you get at the end of your receipt, like the 2% cash back or whatever. I used that as well. So then I would have had to pay just 76 cents out of pocket, but I used a Flu's gift card. So what you wanna do is go on Flu's, you're automatically on the pay screen. My link is below in the description box for my referral code. It's Bree Coupon Queen 21. Get signed up, you'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. So what you're gonna do is search for CVS, click on it, you're gonna buy a $10 gift card. You're gonna get back $3.80 for buying that gift card. That's gonna immediately go on your Flu's account. Then you're gonna just have them scan it right from your phone when you're checking out. They're gonna hit gift card first, scan the gift card. It's just a digital gift card. I use them every single week and I never have any issues. Scan it and it'll cover the cost, okay? Then I got back my extra bucks from this. submitted to Ibotta, got back $2.99 for that pop drink, whatever that is, which I've never tried, so I'm interested to see how that is. Then I just did the spend 30 deal in my last transaction. So I grabbed the Pampers and the Draft, used the 2 coupons, then I rolled a bunch of extra bucks, and I would have paid $4.94 out of pocket. So you can use that same Flu's gift card, right? Because you're nowhere near the $10 yet, and you'll still have $4.79 left over. We got back $3.80 from Flu's, and we got back $2.99 from Ibotta for the first transaction for that pop deal. That makes our final cost, cash cost today, completely free, and a $1.51 moneymaker, which is amazing. So I was able to grab 2 more bags of diapers for the baby shower and a Draft. I wound up getting paid to take it. Of course, plus all the other deals that we grabbed today, but I just really love stocking up on baby products and stuff. Probably because I have the baby shower coming up, but also they're so expensive. Like, no way, I'm not spending that full price out of pocket ever. And make sure you guys stay tuned. Friday, I do have my live on YouTube. I look forward to having you guys there. It's gonna be at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are gonna be doing a giveaway sponsored by Flu's, and we are gonna be going over how to stay organized. So everything to do with organizing your coupons, staying organized with your deals, putting together transactions, the whole 9 yards. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited to have you guys. That'll be on Friday. If you have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below, let me know. Don't forget to smash that like button for me on this video. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you. Hit the subscribe button right here. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.